Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Live Show. I'm your girl, the little brown ass, Dragon All Star on the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rick, 5Q, Mad One, big up on himself anyway in the world, one of them a brother. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Grammys located at 6 Overton's Yard over there in Croydon. Best place to be on a weekly basis. Hottest events, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sometime them go Sunday too. So, check out the Instagram page for more details. Yeah? That is it. You have to go over there to find out now.
No, I don't know what going on Sunday.
Go over there to...
Is that church thing?
Yeah, Sunday service.
Sunday
so
service.
after Saturday, on a dash out and beer things, Sunday, you have to go repent and, get right with God.
Actually, that's a good name for a party, Sunday service. Like a little brunch, you can go from early, from both, from both
Because
6 till about 12. Can remember people have work Monday, man. No,
True.
some people, not everybody.
True.
Because not everybody working.
True.
So.
That is
Me no want to make you feel people when I don't work feel left. I know everybody work.
But then again, Soul on Sundays, as well as Feel a Vibe Sundays, is available for those who want to go out and party for the latter part of the
we get to that. So the people them way, if you just want braff, because some of the time we just want to work in our mood.
Well, in a vibe mood.
You know on Monday and nobody don't happy to go work.
Monday blues. Yes.
So you can get feel a vibes.
Yes.
So you get the feel a vibes Sunday.
And the soul.
And
on
the
Sunday.
rollover to
Yes.
Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is it.
That is it.
Yes.
All right.
Because
Yeah, but before we go anyway, make we just send a condolence to those who lost a family member, anybody in Turkey. And big up again where they book them little surgery for go to them body.
the surgeon probably
I
did.
don't know. The hospital mash up and be things in a Turkey and
True.
So but in a real life, I'm gonna send some condolences over the side. But yeah.
Yeah, a lot of lives were lost, especially children. We always know children are the future, and it hurts when children die.
Boy, fuck up all. If a girl go over and the doctor just put in one side of her body,
I didn't want to make a joke of it. I didn't want to, but I just did, and I realized that it's a really, really bad thing to make a joke of a death situation. But we don't know, so we have to, yeah. So condolences to those people, and hopefully, another popular place will pop up so the surgeries can continue.
Yeah,
because it's like, woman have to do them body and look nice, though. Not me, but yeah, the rest of the people.
For the people in England, Turkey.
Turkey is the spot to
we
go.
don't go Dominica Republic. It's too far. Because first the plane fare kind of hefty if you go over there.
Yes.
So at Turkey,
Just next door.
if in Europe.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the place.
Door.
And I know you get them alone and the man them when I know here like.
Yes, I was just supposed to say hair transplant, and
And the people them with the fucked up teeth them and them sit
yes.
there. Yeah.
That is where they go.
Yeah.
They go, but to get their dues.
So you go over Turkey and you get a thing done, but you don't know.
If
condolence to anybody who lost a friend, a loved one, a family member, and just our sympathy and our hearts goes out to Turkey because like them thing I serious when
because it can happen anywhere.
It's never nice to see them disaster happen.
True.
Yeah, you see me? So
True.
it's a serious situation.
Yes.
All right. That the Turkey like a run up.
Yes, that's Turkey. Do you want to go to Grammys that happened on Sunday?
Yeah, we could talk about the Grammys now.
Right. So the 65th annual Grammys was held on Sunday, the 5th of February. No, it's annual, so it happens every year. And we were privileged to have a reggae project segment included in it. And we're going to read out the nominees again. Coffee for Gifted, Sean Paul for Scorcher, Protege for Third Time's The Charm, Kabaka Pyramid for The Calling, and Shaggy for Come Fly With Me. And Kabaka Pyramid forwarded out as the winner for that segment. A long time in the making. I think should I get one Grammy from a long time?
Well, you see, that me not a bad mind nobody still, but the Grammy I could have got anywhere.
Yes.
When me think about like the lineup because like you have Coffee,
Gifted.
Coffee set and Coffee persona, him have that.
She.
Me can't say Jamaica, the world look there. What them I buy now?
The trending.
Coffee have that little look there. What them I buy? Seen? You have the two S them. Sean Paul and Shaggy.
True.
Yeah, anything. And then, you have Protege, which Protege is a brown youth, doing some great work over the years. You don't know him in the little link with Chronics and them one day.
Yes.
And then you have Kibaka Pyramid now, where say his album was mainly produced by the Marleys.
Damian Marley, yes.
So say anything where the Marley them touch,
forward out as
You know,
gold.
say it's like a Grammy thing.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
really and truly,
Congratulations.
this Grammy could have gone anywhere. And
Anywhere.
nobody could have cussed because to me, I haven't get the chance to listen all the albums,
Yeah.
but I listen most of them, and I didn't see no brilliant album or no brilliant work. I can't say yes.
They deserved.
This is a Grammy album,
Right.
like. Yeah, but you don't know. Somebody have to win it.
Definitely, somebody has to win it, and I mean, we have to shout out to
Big up Kibaka.
big up to Kabaka, big up to the musicians on the track, the producers, the engineers, the singers, everybody that was instrumental in the creation of this project. Yeah, so I mean, I feel proud as a Jamaican to have one of our own. I mean, everybody at Jamaica.
So
but,
where's
you know,
our winning?
that-
Last year them boy. Wow, Jesus
yes,
Christ.
that's what I'm saying.
You don't have to come to Jamaica. That
Right,
year and fight to that
exactly.
rock.
You understand? So I'm very, very proud to see Kabaka forwarding out as the winner of this category. Yes. Following on from that, so that was Sunday. Monday, we're going over to football. The Jamaica Federation and Addidas had their launch of the new Jamaica kit. So in January.
So anybody who like football, really and truly, like, it's a new Jamaica kit out. You know, the football kit, because everybody a Premier League season and, you know, we not rep a little team and thing.
Yeah.
But no, we have a nice name. Because Jamaica, some of the time,
Uncle
as
Ivan.
we as Jamaicans, some of the time, we not like, you know, why we not wear the kit? Because of the fucker brand where they used to make, you know,
True.
some copper. So them sitting there now over here.
And we're showing some photos of the
No,
kits.
them get the Adidas kit, see there? Clean.
So we have the away kit, which is this one that we're showing.
No, that's the home kit.
I
That's
mean, the home kit,
yeah.
sorry. This is the home kit. We're going to show
People
quite
wanna
a
see-
number
it
of them.
It look nice, though.
And drop your comments in the comment section. Tell us what you think about
This the away one, you know, the
Away.
rear of it. Yeah, because I don't know when I go back. Yeah.
we know.
Yeah, so anyway,
Right, so it has the away kit and the
skip
home
through,
kit.
make us see the front of that kit. Yeah,
So
so you
this-
don't know.
So this is the front of the jersey.
Them kind of other already nice. I kind of like the ready, kind of nearly make it look like the Rasta man color.
Yes, Jamaican, and this is the
Yeah.
yellow one. I kind of like the yellow one better still.
Yeah, yellow one clean.
Want to say to the audience, which one do you like?
But,
Yellow or black?
Look like them go too simple with it, man. Them go too simple.
Si-
Especially that black one,
Simply is good because like you have a think boy like say yo when you have a number upon you and certain little thing.
And the
You know,
customization of
you
names.
probably get a little one sponsor. We don't know.
them. Jamaica is rich, bro.
You know, you never know. You might say up on live show across,
Yeah,
you
you
across the
understand?
front
You
of the
don't
shirt.
know.
You never know. You
Yeah,
know.
we-
That's the thing, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, guys, and the tops are.
Make we discuss the price then because
I was just about to say.
more want to talk about this now. Like
So the
Jesus Christ,
the
man.
price for the kid shirt it's £50, and the price for the adult shirt it's £70.
Who in a Jamaica go buy that? Make we do a little conversion. Hold on, man.
Shall we? Let's convert the rate.
70 pound about 12 grand, you know.
Tourist movement, man.
Me nah buy one jersey if I go play football night and sweat it out.
Wait, how much is it?
I want
13?
go out in shirt money that you know, want
Yeah,
polo, you know.
about 13,025. 13,025.
Yo,
Yeah.
in a big man thing,
Can
you
try
know.
a little partner and save a week time.
That little $13,000 there,
Light
me
bill.
nah lie.
Light
You have
bill.
$13,000 in a Jamaica.
Light bill.
You can go downtown, see? You can get 2 polo and 1 psycho bunny.
For 13.
No doubt. No. No,
For 13 grand?
about 4 grand a piece, man. I remember, you know, me I talk about genuine knock off them. See? That me I talk
Bread
about.
said Mr. Chid is available.
Yeah.
But yeah, the kit them and you know say people are gonna buy the kit
But-
them though.
Me have a look at it against the Jamaica. Andrew, and then I run JFF now.
I don't know.
I warning. Me have a look at it against you know. I want to have big launch I shirt them, I want to keep you foreign.
As well as there were no black people.
And the whole of them muggle them
black
a UK rapper and UK movie star and something. So me I like,
no Jamaican.
what
core
the Jamaican them
were
there?
involved.
We no couldn't call Romisha and two a little dancer girl and two somebody from downtown make it thing look pretty.
That's true.
You know, two of the football, you know, call even Bailey over here.
That's true.
Couple of the little footballer
That's
them
true.
where represent
To
them
represent
country.
the country.
Fi,
That's true.
You know, bring out the kit. Why don't you get some people where with me, them not affiliation with Jamaica. Cause me never really see them at Jamaica. In the street or in the ground. As some people where everything we know them do is UK based. Why not do it all the time? Why when you come on to our little culture, you so sell out, you love sweets, you love firing things? Why not have one big old launch? You couldn't do it half a tree.
That's true.
Why not care come and land and come deal with it? And when me look in at, I didn't like it. Couple Jamaican dead, but the core of the people are the, what you call it?
It should have been the
upper
forefront.
society.
Yeah.
English people, because some of them, for them parents are probably Windrush people.
Yeah,
but
they're not actually.
But them are not Jamaican.
Born
For them
Jamaican.
parents are Jamaican.
Yeah. It could have. Well,
So it's Jamaican by affiliation.
let us not give up hope, because say sometimes them have the UK launch and them are gonna take it to Jamaica. Let us watch and see.
Then couldn't give stylogy and give him one shirt and say, yo, I want Queen here, one of them. Come, I want Raga Rookie as. Well, I know why I mash up your shirts today.
Me care about that.
Yeah.
Me care about that. But yeah, it's a good collaboration. It's a 4-year contract.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm proud that.
When is the next World Cup? 4 year again?
World Cup was last year. Was this year?
Yeah. So World Cup every 4 years.
Yes.
So
2026.
hopefully, we never know. Might have a Addidas shirt for World Cup.
Maybe. Yeah,
We have a
hopefully.
shout out. Where the ball name will get signed for Newcastle. Actually, one of my side still, the little young youth from Jamaica. But big up yourself still. He's a baller. You don't know. Big up himself. You don't know.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is my favorite part of the evening. You don't know. I'm going to talk about Andrew government a little bit.
Andrew Wellness.
I'm going to talk about. So I don't know if everybody recently
Everybody's supposed to know that.
see the new
Road Traffic Act.
where Andrew and them boy.
And his colleagues.
I don't know. You look at them boy. Them boy that beat some alcohol and them write it.
Under some sensei.
No, me not lie.
True.
Because here one know, them say any pushing a vehicle down there.
How much that? 10 grand?
If a car run out of gas, you push it at 20 grand. If your car broke down and you call a brethren for types a rope on it and dry it, 20 grand.
Yeah.
They pick them in a car seat, in a public taxi, 10 grand. What the taxi man them ball out there, All of them man them do like say, I'm going to a print shop, make a piece of food. Print some little sticker and say, yo, no kids.
No children.
See me? Right now the law under review, so,
Which it has to be under review, because if it is a case that you're making these acts, I think you need to be in tune with what the general public goes through on a daily basis. Like, for instance, I'm saying, Andrew will not take taxi. Them not take taxi. So they don't know the real struggles that a regular Jamaican person who have to get up a morning time, shower, get the children ready, charter taxi, come pick up them children at a morning time, carry them go school, same thing. Pick them up and carry them home. And I mean, you're up to which 12-year-old, which is what we were discussing. Yeah. So the child seat was from 0 to 12-year. Which 12-year-old?
Them say up to 12-year in a child seat. So hold on.
Which 12-year-old?
12-year don't sit in child. You know what say? You see this dunce thing. You know what you're catching?
Very.
Because me say everybody in a parliament dunce. Because if you write down that on paper and say you're up to 12-year-old, remember, because remember 12-year-old is a high school student.
First form student, yeah.
So you want them the big old picking in a child seat. That you try to tell me, say, remember that them write down first and them say, no, robot. But you they don't print.
Them can't take you off again.
I saw you go. But it's the next thing too. Have anybody ever see a chichi bus get ticket?
No.
Like for fitness or anything?
No.
There was a video the other day and Skunk, Skunk Life, the vlogger,
right,
with a JUTC bus, a crab walk. The bus was driving basically sideways on the highway.
On the
Yeah. So how you can have that bus? I know that now no farmer fitness, no road fitness, carrying passenger and is driving sideways.
And them let it out.
That bus should not be on the road.
At all. That's true.
Because the bus can't drive straight. It was driving sideways. So boy.
Yeah, I think all of these acts majority of them need to be rewritten. Like they need to go back to the drawing board. Like it just needs to be redone. It don't make no sense. And if you're not in tune with what the regular Jamaican person goes through on a daily basis, if you don't have that experience, you can't sit down and make laws and rules and regulations for people. because you don't know what is happening. And they said all of this is forwarded in so them can try pay back bolting money.
What I wanna see a little announcement or a little roundup of want to see much money in tax revenue, in ticket revenue collect recently since the amnesty run out when everybody a giant line for God could pay a ticket them. I would like for the government of Jamaica to publish like how much money in ticket was collected over a 2 or 3 month period, because a lot of these road act when I'm coming with is just gonna make police target innocent bystander or innocent taxi people, because we know how Jamaica run. If they obey what you call the road traffic act or all of them, it's the road them always will be chock-a-block.
Yeah, that's
because
true.
like first and foremost, like all of the big nice pretty highway them down there. Is 80 kilometer per hour.
Yep.
80 kilometer per hour is like about 40 miles per hour. So imagine you would up on a highway. You know when I big pretty road them over here and I drive a car 40. How old they sitting? So I feel like say some of these law and some of these speed limit they really need to review and take in consideration. We know say some of the motorists them do drive too hard and too reckless. Here we understand. People need to get fined and penalize the right people. What more I know, the next thing, the man them will do delivery. You know a drunk them, the young bike them.
Them park.
Young drunk or whatever them call them.
Drive anyway and park anyway.
So then come with the penalize. We know a penalize, mask it at them.
Well, there's a fee for that.
How you get rid of them if you say any one of these bikes will exceed how much decibel? I don't know, but
I'm looking for
the whole of them at Jamaica supposed to exceed the road traffic act decibel. How that to work? You have a young bike, you have to do a little delivery as you come out a 10 grand ticket. Remember, an average taxi man, he might make about 6 to 7 grand a day. That before him pay him boss money. See? If you drive a white plate, which them call a robot taxi, you know a 3.5. Right. You know Jamaican have standard fee. Red plate between 4.5 and 5 grand. Depends on where it's going. As a taxi, you're driving a car. So if you making 7 grand and you know say you're risk it to get a 10 grand ticket. How it up here? You have 2 hungry belly picnic for feed and send go school. See?
Plus you still have bills to pay.
Plus you have to eat. So when you make 3 grand coming in, you have to go look and say, all right, I will give the mother want 2 grand out of 3, me left back with grand. You know, say, in a week or in a month, you never find that money for pay it. You have to do something illegal for it. Just like, they are trying to clamp down with a zero tolerance for a robot taxi. Most of Jamaica is a rural area. The man them with red plate, when 5:30, 6 o'clock come, then don't make them money, then go sleep. Who gonna bring the people them, go them yard or go work in a night? Robot taxi.
Yep.
So I feel like say some farmer system set up because the government is only trying to regulate certain law for the private taxi operators. I remember say the chichi bus them only cover 5% of Jamaica. Could somebody turn on the phone for me, please?
I think it's the student engineer. It's the engineer. We're getting that sorted.
Yeah.
Just bear with us.
So one of them things that when I talk about say
But yeah, you were asking about the excess. There is number 40 on the traffic access excess noise. What measurement would you use to say about excess noise?
The excess noise.
Yes. What would you consider as excess noise?
Yes, I understand when people modify them vehicle.
Yeah.
To make too much, a nice go sound all right.
Yeah.
You want you see how drive.
Yeah, but what levels? Because there's no decibel level on it. They just have excess noise. So, there's no guidance to say okay this.
More than about over 85 decibel.
So would a yang be included in that?
Yeah, yang make over that for me just drive it off, man. Because
that's a 10 grand fine.
Well, I know. That's why I'm tell you say you have 2 different law. See? Even over here, say you have a double standard. If me buy one Ferrari, see, or one Lamborghini, penalize it make Me not do nothing to it, but it's all right to drive that, right?
Right.
You don't get any ticket, no nothing, because them say you didn't modify it.
Right.
So you're all right in Jamaica or in the UK.
Right.
But you now have a little old car. See? You take off the muffler and put on big one panny. Remember a little bit lower on the Lamborghini, but police stop every day and ticket, because they must say you exceed the road traffic decibel. One to the rich man in a fast car, in Lamborghini, or be nice, you know?
Yeah.
Are in big bad AMG, you know? Are in M this, are in that.
I make bag nice.
So, how that is fair?
Yeah.
How that is fair?
As we usually say, there's one rule for the rich and there's one rule for the poor. So yeah, that is quite unfair. Are you gonna do a call in today?
Yeah, Carla, we're gonna pin the telephone line to the
Yeah.
screen shortly. But anyway, we have a next good topic for touch upon.
Go ahead,
Yeah, we have a couple more things to talk about, you know, cause.
Go ahead.
So yeah, recently we've been seeing this little throwing off words going on.
Throwing off words.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Could you be more specific?
So, you know, Bounty Killer and Vegas at it again.
Okay.
You know me almost say Vegas. I want to do that, you know.
I think it has gotten out of hand because I think Dexter make we start with Vegas and Bounty Killer. Who threw the first punch?
Vegas.
As per usual.
Vegas are like Bounty Killer from a long time, you know, because according to Vegas, Bounty Killer is the orchestrator
Off.
for mash up film career.
I wonder
And
why.
the organizer.
What happened?
Then Vegas name say, man, one night time, Bounty Killer make everybody call him Vegas. I'm glad one night. Remember, it's on record, so I have to say allegedly.
Yeah.
Him say, when him girl give him bun,
When
him
who for
glad.
girl?
Now Vegas remember one night time him girl that fuck pan him.
And him da ball though.
See? And him la ball. Him say him glad say.
Remember.
Say I want like a fuck pan thing go on, so the Vegas thing people stop that boy.
Okay.
People attack say my girl clown. Him say you know him glad. So when me pray that, me I say me bum buckler. So you look like say little body business that go on.
Oh my God.
Hold on, man. Hold on. How
Hold
the
on.
bum buckler you as a real man? Hold on now. Your girl fuck pan you. And because of stigma, you glad to your girl fuck pan you and people are call a girl clown. Me ask you as a real man, how would you
Me
feel?
can't answer that question, sir. I'm a woman. I'm sorry.
As a real woman.
But the
As a
studio audience, a bear man
flip
in
the
the
script.
studio.
Flip the script. How would you feel as a real woman?
Man clown.
Yeah, mad man.
Don't I feel, my friend?
Yeah, like then Dexter Laps
He jumped in a little bit.
get caught up in the war. Then you know,
Him never get caught up. Him just make a statement and that's it.
him jumping at the war.
Him tell Bounty, kill
Then
the man.
Then hold on. No. Then
Yeah.
hold on. Right now, I have a stereotype, you know, because Mr. Vegas dig up back some things. You know the little
That
panty
video.
picture.
Yes, that
The little picture where me now want panty.
Yes.
And
It
hold
has
on now.
resurfaced.
Hold on, Vegas.
the forefront.
Vegas say, I first me see a man cuss a man to come and say, "Go baggy van. Can't chat to me.
And it makes
Go boy. Baggy."
true.
Yo.
And that makes it even more funnier
So me
because
like-
when you know say Vegas always irated and a shout and I go on. Cool, calm and collected, brother.
But hold on now.
Yo.
Dexter. Lord of Warrior, cause from what you name not too good, you know.
True.
Cause remember, allegedly, cause I'll know we don't know if it's true. Remember, little routine we have, where you know, you flip a girl foot by your shoulder and you kick your foot up. Remember what they them say I want a man. And God know, any man did a man like how you deal with.
Talk true.
Allegedly, that girl there or that man there.
Shim.
Jesus Christ.
Right. Are we gonna be doing a call now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, this a man. Yeah. Hello, Ka.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Please introduce yourself to everyone that is on the live first, please.
My name is Leon,
What the girls them call you?
Mr. Magnum.
Blood clot. Welcome, Redback.
There, though.
There, you're good.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us virtually this evening, sir.
So what you think
What's
about
your
the
thoughts
Dexter Labs thing?
on the situation?
The extra that have too much fuck, they're going to feel for me about talk about the argument there. As
Eh.
him write off himself alone by have two documented proof.
They say it's on tape.
So
One allegedly and one is just what it is.
so hold on, the birds. Me ask you, if a man wear panty, that classify that person as a fish?
Because of something.
Me ask you why you classify somebody
So we're
as
trying to get the right terminology of.
if you wear a panty, that classify you as a fish or not?
In
Eh?
the Jamaican world,
Mm-hmm.
fall under the category and suspicious and it's fishy. So you can say that.
So we're asking you, what are you saying? That was the question.
Well,
Birds are
Yeah,
beat
go
around the bush.
no. Where I go with the masses?
So yeah, it's a fishy act then, dog.
But Genesis say no, man.
Jesus Christ. But boy, me never like that thing there. And then what do you tell you say? The video that recently come out with him was performing in the island. Where them say I want boy. Them say I want little boy, you know.
It's confirmed that it's a boy.
You know, that's why I say the result
Allegedly.
listen me, man, the result never come back.
Right.
So
it's still under investigation.
if you go to one AIDS test scene, and you not getting the results, just live your life like you have AIDS, though. Because you're not going to say you not have it, you know, because you don't know.
That's a bit extreme.
Yeah?
That's a bit extreme. Bread?
Yo.
What? Could you repeat that first, please?
No, I basically, yeah. When Killer call him Vegas and whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
Dexter should have known, say, yo, brother. I'm afraid of say, brother, like a lie because, yeah. Because Vegas just calmly just say, remember, you know, and then people they know about if you get it, who never know now.
Yeah, them know, that's true.
So
That's true.
can you come back, like, really? Like, come back as a strong,
Bro, this is...
heterosexual
After a
dancehall
situation like that.
Brother, this
act.
is the internet.
After you wear panty, me ask you. Me ask you, after you wear panty, you can fall back from that?
It is more show the man after that. That's clear. Or just show him after that.
But there was isn't in that same thing that Vegas was talking about. I'm almost sure that he made a statement where recently, like, Dexter has been out with like a transgender, separate and apart from the video where he was with that little boy slash girl.
No, I don't know that one. You know.
No? Okay, cool. All right.
Then
We can go back and watch the video and hear what he
you have
says.
this video keep re-emerging itself with Vegas and this Chichib man and live.
Yes.
You know, having a trace
The man
off.
say, you like boys.
Yeah, you know, and him might tell
Wow.
Vegas say him like body and them something there.
He's saying to Vegas, remember say we have it on video with you the things you like, body and whatever.
Watch Bunty do a video where a naked man on the grass. Being the man go up and show the RuPaul. Affect them career? Not really.
He went on the show with RuPaul, or did he just perform at an event where
on the sofa next to the man dog.
But Bunty Killer video still, you know, Bunty Killer video, you can dismiss that one because that one they could have editing afterwards.
No.
Hold on. He could have editing afterwards.
Jagan,
so that one they could have dismissed.
Jagan, editing or not, yeah, him should have call it right enough for that song to see today. So clearly, it doesn't matter when they're making money.
Well,
so where I try to tell me say, so the dancehallers of yesteryear, because of money, they will allow followers to manifest in their career.
No. Believe that category. People will diss you are caused with something, or when they're benefiting from it, them have an excuse.
Especially monetarily.
Yeah, because remember, you know, him say after him see the drop with no blah blah.
Yeah.
But him still collect the royalties. So a man can say about the money he must spend.
But hold on, in the midst of all this, where is the police of all things not true and righteous for dancehall foot hype? Did he ever speak out against Dexter Daps wearing a panty? Or
Most likely, I think he did, you know.
Probably.
It just that it never really gone away. He probably just said, you see me?
You know, me almost use the wrong word. Me almost call Futabati police.
Oh my God, we're going to be moving on.
Me
Breds,
almost
Breds,
said
talk to us about this weekend, no, please. Talk to us. Yeah, because if we continue the conversation, it's going to go sideways, and we want to try and avoid that,
Jaga want limit the view.
right?
No. Hold on
Jaga
now.
want limit the viewers.
No,
Jaga want
no.
limit the guests them we have.
We don't want to run
Futa
nobody,
hype.
sir.
In I'm own right. I'm one of the one them who champion for certain thing in
Yes.
dancehall because from what year
I'm a bonus
dancehall
to
music is being just a place where anything goes. It's coming like hip hop in a second because you soon start hear the man them start sing about in
Stop.
front.
Yeah, that's true.
And when dancehall music gone up there, me I go in my church.
No. One time an artist tried that, yeah.
Yeah.
One time an artist tried that.
Yes.
And we near about him again.
Oh.
We just,
What do you want? Them casino. I me attack.
no.
Super
One
bad.
artist. One new artist they found out, yeah.
Yeah.
And tried that brawling. And the whole nation said, no, brother.
No, sir.
Yeah.
513.
Bert, so since you're on the line, like this is a topic like me and a few person have this topic all of last week, and I just want to ask this to the general public and for you just to get your opinion on this. Like we know that people do various different type of work in the UK. A lot of time, if you're working hard, you won't have time for your family life. Anyway, worse if you have a woman.
Much.
You won't have much time for your woman, especially if you want acquire certain asset in life.
But now go on.
Well, I know. What would you think would be the appropriate amount of money to offer somebody to watch the buff for you?
What do what?
To watch the buff for you.
Where
to
are
watch
these
a woman.
questions
But it's a hawks.
Brother.
Because
Put him on the
Listen.
sideline for me, please.
apparently we have a few person in the dancehall scene
That is watching the buff
watching buff
on behalf of somebody else.
and carry news. So me just try clarify to get that out.
Jagan.
What is the
Alright.
requirement?
My rather get a ding camera. Anything outside my house is not my problem.
So suppose if they cover the ding camera.
Then I pretend something I go on. Evidence that
You
why
don't-
I cover it.
You don't know because like without
The time
proof.
they go, alright, you got pay a man for watch a woman. You probably
Brother.
fuck all the woman too.
Probably.
I have pay for your woman basically.
What would you do if that was the situation?
What? If what? Somebody what to pay somebody for watch a
Yes.
woman?
Would you be paying money for people to watch a woman?
Well, depends.
Depends power.
As long as I'm here do the watching,
No, but you're asking. But you indirectly you are because you're asking someone to do it on your behalf.
No,
Yes, you are.
Hold on. You see in America and on TV, you have very different show where people hire a detective watch them partner.
On
I see them
their
thing as
behalf.
I see them thing as pussy watching,
Yeah, but you're doing it indirectly. You ask somebody else to do it for you.
Jagan.
Because they're going to forward a report
No,
to you.
but hold on.
Jagan,
Hold on,
Breds.
hold on. Probably because me asked it too vague.
Wow.
We know say a lot of time in dancehall and in dancehall scene, a lot of these things happen indirectly. Because a man can take you out, not really take you out, because him are your brethren,
Yes.
and you can go out and buy 2 buckle
Right.
and floss him when you not work.
Right.
So it come like, and him live near to you, it come like a film duty for watch your woman and watch your yard. So that's why I talk about, because you have a lot of man who do it indirectly. A man might give him a 50 pound here and there. All a man where is a soldier, them fuck with it. You travel.
Yeah.
Indirectly. When you're not work, you come back, me link up breads and, we say, come, we go floss.
And chat all the things there.
I buy 1 3 back, I say, bum buckle like breads, what going over me yard, what there?
That be,
Brother.
And you start telling me, I say, boy, me don't know,
but you still haven't answered the
No,
Me see
question.
kill a man for and him up the lag,
Brother, you lose your money, cause every day you ask me, I say, everything good, man.
But are you up there fuck her off?
No, I never said that part. But me
Yeah,
say everything
yeah, Breds. But we know side that you up there. Do stop telling lie, man.
But for real, we see these things happening in the dancehall and like especially we see selectors and promoters kinda do the same thing to them one another because
Use it?
yeah,
Oh.
we see it all the time. Because obvious, yeah, we see it all the time.
Juggernaut fat.
No, we see it
Him
all
have
the
the
time.
personal detectives.
People drop words.
Juggernaut party vision.
No.
Them say
People
everything.
drop words and people claim to mess up and slip up,
And say things.
say things
To
to
people.
people. you know, man or woman, indirectly, that is watching pussy, see me, you know.
That's true.
That is watching crutches.
But moving right along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I don't feel like it's right.
It's not. Like, it mind
I'm gonna
business.
feel say any man with them dignity should do that. Like, if I'm my best friend, if I'm a brother, and somebody fuck him, girl, still me tell him. Like, me,
Yeah, you and your brother.
me a informer. Me a tell
Right,
you,
true.
me as a dog.
Jagan.
You know your wife want lick in her face.
Jagan.
Yeah.
You tell her to fuck up. You tell the brother say, him wife a fuck pan him,
Yeah.
and then him man a mash up for a minute. You get back together, him like, boy, Jagan, come tell me, no babe.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, that's for them to sort out. He only, correct me if I'm wrong, he only wants to know that he's done his brotherly
So,
duty.
Birds, let me
And
ask
we
you a
have to
question.
find
Birds,
that.
let me ask you a
We
question.
have
I'm
to
just
find
saying,
that.
and it,
Birds.
hold on, and it all depends also on the type of relationship that you have with your brother.
Yeah.
It all boils down to
Let me
that
ask this
level.
question. Me
Quick
as
and
you
fast,
ask
we can
Virgin
wrap
now,
up the hot
seeing?
topics, please.
Me ask Virgin, seeing? If you see my woman a give me bun, you wanna tell me?
Me can't
As
say
a
I
br-
agree,
hold
but
on
be
there.
here, yes.
Hold on. If you see my woman in a compromising position, wouldn't you tell me?
No,
Wouldn't you tell me?
no.
So tell me if you tell me no. Remember that
You know
you not tell me.
I have to tell you that.
Some mad one.
Jagan.
If you see my woman with a man,
Jagan.
Osh,
Jagan.
dragon, osh.
you don't not tell me.
Jagan.
Them say them not
Jagan.
tell you. Osh,
Yo.
brother.
Real friend, I tell you.
Jagan.
Yeah.
You know-
Studio audience, hold it down, please.
If me, if
Kill them boy.
Hold it down,
Jagan.
studio
Yeah.
audience. Hold it down.
if me there, yeah, a road, I see a woman with that dude. Me I walk past, she see me now, but me not saying to you know. Me she go say, oh, me see birds, me see me not see nobody.
Oh, me.
So,
Good.
so
Never did
as
it.
my virgin, seeing? As my virgin, seeing? You know, continue make me feed the girl, clothe the girl, buy hair for the girl,
Do the nails fit.
carry the girl got road. I walk with the girl with my chest big out so like me and man.
No.
Wait.
You know how I walk?
May I ask
the
you,
girl-
would you make me play that fool? I know.
No, but me I tell her why you gonna play that fool the same
Eh,
way.
oh, why
When
me
the
a
girl-
play it?
Listen, look, when she bend over in her bed and you get her backers and she sweet you up and tell her a different story. You
But-
say,
but-
boy,
but-
bitch, try
hold
and mash
on.
up my life.
I know both try mash up a life. Like you have levels to this because you have man and you have boys, right? As a virgin,
True.
I feel like say there's a code as a man, and if you don't have that code or that principle instilled in you, like
But
something wrong
Jagan,
with your dog.
but Jagan. Suppose me see a woman out there wine for a dude there,
Yeah.
and I do my just friend or whatever. Me can't say man I don't know a party without
Well,
body tell themselves.
My woman if you wine no man a party, I'm in a party. You're
That's
mad?
truth.
But me don't know phone rules and condition.
'Cause
No.
every relationship
No
is
man,
different.
woman, no fee, they a party a wine pan. No man.
Well, if that man enough dance, me not get them. They carry that.
You see if a man, woman a dance pan a man and a fee woman. A fee them woman.
See them a share.
So
Jagan. Enough party you go.
yeah.
I wine for that woman.
No, that's
That's a
what
dance.
that's why I say man
I just
rule.
like dance.
And
There's a rule between man and woman because hold on, Rasta. Before you get in your feelings,
Me not say nothing, dog.
may I use a
not say
terminology?
nothing.
See? May I use a terminology? A car that have one owner. Hold on, no. A car we have one owner, it only value though. But if a car have only per owner, it don't have the value.
But
And a
watch
man,
it.
hold on, let me talk now, man.
All right, one.
But a man will drive only per car have value.
Why?
Because you have experience of driving different vehicle.
I wish
Jagan,
there was another
Jagan,
woman in the room
Jagan.
because him not gonna make me
Jagan.
talk.
Yes.
Jagan,
Go ahead, Bread. No. We're go-
Ras. Let me answer him. Jagan, that's it. Jagan.
Well, go ahead, Bread.
Jagan.
We're listening to you, Bread. Go ahead.
That same car where a man drive by himself, it still have 4 more seats tonight, though. So we're on tier there.
Me not talk about 4 more seats.
No, but you have to talk about the parts of the car now, dog.
The parts of the car.
The point to me I try to say, you can have one owner and enough rentees.
Okay.
We're not talking about rental. We're talking about owning a vehicle.
Me a talk
Yeah,
about
but
that
he's
piece.
talking about the other parts of the vehicle.
What other part
Yes.
of the vehicle?
Think about
yes.
you talk about one driver
Yeah.
and everything.
It just come like
one
like
car has many
the amount
seats.
of driver car get that year say the mileage gone up.
All right.
but
It all mash up quick.
No,
That's why
sometimes
over
they
here, Brett, Uncle Jamaica alone, them people buy car by how he look. So Uncle Jamaican man like you,
Brother.
would on a man one little butter ears go do up her body and you go wife it up and you know say she suck everybody cocky back in her days.
Jagan.
So you know what I think go.
Jagan, you owe metaphor here, miss me I say. You're the driver in the brand new car.
Why?
But then the other people go visit the car but not driving it. They just doing something else.
What
They're
them a
just
do?
stopping by.
They just stop him by slamming
Right.
the door. Sit down on the
Lock
seat.
the trunk.
Stand up on the seat.
Yeah,
open
open the
trunk.
bonnet.
All them
You know?
go on.
Birds, hold on there. Remember just ask you something because it look like say
No,
the conversation.
sir.
You know we are talking about woman and sex and so we're not literally talking about a car. No. I'm just trying to say.
Yeah, but you need to understand from his perspective.
Because you're talking about slamming doors and them something and sit down on seat and them fuck with it.
The whole point me
Like,
make it this
sure.
year.
Me done.
The whole point is,
Yeah.
Jagan, yeah?
Yes.
You say, yeah, one woman to you. No, Jagan, you're saying, yeah, one woman,
Yes.
one, yeah, are you alone for have a woman, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, I say, there's other man that can come visit that woman and get where they want.
Are
They're not
two
gonna
things
drive
that mean what woman can do for a man for pleasure a man. Either suck him out or give him some pussy.
it. So that me I say, them can be the passenger part of it.
Which
You know,
passenger?
drive it.
All right.
I drive.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Breads and All Star will be here all night talking about the car and the driver and the passengers. Breads, talk to us about Friday. We're gonna wrap up.
Penny half an hour. Yeah,
Yeah,
penny
man.
half an
Okay,
hour.
continue.
Long story
We
short,
have 12 more minutes for the hot topics.
If the girl that fuck fire, she fuck fire without regardless. So
And
me
that
not
is
say
it.
nothing.
And sometimes you're gonna know.
So would
sometimes
you,
just not
would you
gonna know.
make me be the fool that you're parried? That everybody a talk about in a dance and say blood clot. Birds and them virgin over there saying you know say a Genesis and mad one them a fuck him girl.
And
But Jagan,
Remember you know,
if
you get tagged by
everybody knows
association,
they get
you know.
Hold on.
fuck by you, if everybody knows that your girl a fuck by you apart from you, you need more glasses, bro.
No, but I saw them birds, yeah, I saw them thing they happen. You know, say, when you come on to relationship, right? The person who last, you know, the man, because him blind by love, because some of the time, you know what thing called
don't do
denial.
that. It can be flipped as well.
No, a
In
woman.
some character.
It can be flipped
No,
as
woman
well.
and man. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Me not,
But Jagan,
yeah,
there's always trait. Listen, if you're a party man,
yeah.
your woman a really go party, all of a sudden, she a go party, I
Me I
turn
know.
the pattern change.
I-
You have to just think why them pattern that she a
And
go more
Unnecessary
unnecessary
because of
because
that.
you get bun, sir. You know, other things entice your woman. She doesn't want to be at home. Yeah.
yeah,
Like,
freedom.
so what, she did lock up her yard? Eh?
Freedom.
She did lock, was she in shackles and chains at home, sir?
Alright, Ross, you no go out.
I-
Me ain't a thing. All of a sudden, you go out without me more than me I go out with you. No, sir, it's something what they feel.
No, because, you know,
No.
there's something called social life.
Watch your birds. Like,
Outside of a
she
relationship.
can have a different set of friends where, you
Yeah.
know, where I do different things
Yeah,
outside of
yeah,
your
right.
circle.
And
Well, I know.
which you and me and you, Brits, as you use the example, you like something different, I like something different. Me not go forward over your side and do what you do. Simple. Me
Well,
gone with my people.
But
them you gone
disappointed in
with
the
yours.
answer this. So.
In
And I did that,
essence,
that,
you must see a
me-
woman a gay bun and not tell you. Sorry, bro.
Yeah, and idea.
Me would I tell you though.
Yeah.
Me would I tell
I
you.
are not saying shit. Cause you must say something to you now, yeah.
See a
Yeah.
blind
I'll
ear
mash
and
up for a
deaf.
minute, yeah. Who later on they were together, quickly clock, gone for honeymoon and
But
holiday.
that's not your
Money are the waste,
business.
man.
But hold on,
Only
hold
a
on.
fool.
But hold on a minute. If me no say you wouldn't want you not tell me. You know, so the friendship done this, so don't. Because hold on, let me just tell you why. Because if you know something and you feel to tell me, that means say you're an instigator. You'd have come like say,
Or I never
You
hear birds
hold
from
on,
morning.
you'd have come like say, you ever hear what them say, Arbor in the future, blood clottive. That's why I do that. Yeah, Arbor the fugitive. Because if you know say, just like you come like say, if my life in danger, you know say somebody want to kill me.
And you're not
See?
saying.
that's
You not
different,
tell
that's
me.
different.
At the same thing, then the
No,
girl now will
that's
kill me if she a
different
fuck for
because-
me. If she a fuck for me,
No.
she kill me, you know.
It's
That's
a hard
different,
failure.
yeah. That's different.
Eh.
You're dead. You can't find this woman. But watch this now, yeah.
Yeah,
You're my partner, yeah.
yeah.
Me no go so boom. And I tell you.
Yeah,
She a fuck by you and I tell you. You're not left, you know.
yeah.
You done friendship with me. But you got day back after. You don't rate me now because
Me
you
still also your
volunteer
pussy
gun.
hole. No, me still also your
Because
pussy hole.
him should have tell
So
you.
shower then.
She a pussy hole because she fuck for me to boy. So you
But
go.
you never could have door. You never could have door.
Bec-
So
you know,
you bigger pussy hole in.
hold on now.
Oh my God. So
You see what she have to
would you
offer?
be
She
a
have
Yemen
a
then?
cunt and you don't. That's
I'm a
the
Yemen.
thing, bruv.
So you
That's what me not say no exactly.
No.
She have a cunt.
You should
Me
man
not
up.
say none.
No, there's a code. As a man, you should man up, especially if you're a friend like that.
So what?
I think
So why?
it's a care and duty you have to your virgin.
Jagan. See,
Yeah,
Jagan.
tell your brethren.
Yeah.
Jagan.
Okay.
For that joke aside, for that aside, me tell you, say woman a fuck by you, right?
Yeah.
You and the woman left. Yeah? And then we go day back afterwards, yeah?
Studio audience, hold it down for me, please.
Jagan,
Yeah.
me and you are friends. I'm saying, Jagan, woman a fuck by you with such man, you know. You confront her, a true. You're not left, yeah? You're not day back. Yeah. Yeah, you're throwing up my thing now because they are different you from somebody who violate you.
Yeah.
I go day back with them and literally go to bed with them.
I'm not clone out your thing. See?
Sorry then.
Me no clone out your thing. If me got the back with her, me no clone out myself.
Yeah, because
No,
Because
you would be the
hold on
Yemen.
now. Let me speak. Because you have different levels of things. You have certain things what certain people can live with. Suppose if me can live with a one fuck pan or a two fuck pan, and me can live with that. Because so if me there road and me know say, yo,
You do the same
boy,
thing.
you know me there fuck be a girl, so
Dog shit.
I saw you go. You
You're
know?
not gonna say that.
Well, I
Your
know.
blood pressure, you're not gonna say that.
Well,
I think
some of the time, you have to look in yourself and say, bum buckle, you know me there run the road hard. So you go in a bun for bun. Them things happen, you know. Because them say bun and death is certain. See? So suppose if you can live with that and say, yo, it's a 1-2 fuck pan, you know. I
What
saw
the
you go.
outside?
I saw you go, but
No,
you know as a man, it's always in the back of your mind. Say, yo, she did fuck pan you. See? But you can't live with you move past. But you think when me can't go live with, I say, yo, if me even stay a friend, me not go trust you. Because me say, if my girl a fuck pan me and me and your friend, and you not tell me, that means say, either you not rate me or you want to fuck me girl, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, look it to you. Look a fuck off it too.
Me that tell you though, yeah.
You see it?
Because you don't want to tell me.
Me
I
that
got
tell
the girl do to your mates.
you.
Fuck
Me
up your mate,
can't
you
make sure
start
out there run my
pre-fuck
friend
free.
head. You must be mad.
I don't
Me
feel me
that
start
tell you outside.
pre-fuckery, but it's just how the human brain work, birds.
Yes.
Like, cause right now, if you alright, say you find one nice little chromas, nice little catty bee, seeing? You and her are going 6 months, 7 months.
If you get an ugly one.
Hold on now.
Oh, shut up.
You and her are going for everything good. Then all of a sudden, me tell you say bumbo cloud birds, you know say, look like say
I get boned off.
my girl a fuck pan, you know, like, you know what there? 2 times I see him come out of that man that car, you know, my boy come drop it off and move, same spot. Near down to where I live.
I should walk up
See?
the road.
And as a man, if you not invest, me not tell you to take what me say as gospel. You have to do your own investigation, see? Because me not know, what you call it, no hard evidence. Me not have a picture of a cocky going in her mouth or one cocky in her hole. I don't.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
Hold on now. So I'm just making you aware of the situation, you know? Like what Anna Bless say, awareness of the situation, see?
Yeah.
So you do your investigation now. If you investigate and you say you're a foul player, and you decide you can live with her suck one cocky and nothing because she brush her teeth,
I don't
your
know
business.
But then you'll be a bigger clone.
Okay,
Oh, me be
yeah.
a clone. Oh, I'm gonna be a clone.
Ladies and
Because-
gentlemen,
When
bread.
you don't know something, you can't be affected.
What you say,
know-
outer sight, outer mind?
Yes.
Okay. Breads, talk to us about Friday. We're going to wrap this up now because we have
Yeah, man, Friday big bad party, man. Granny's nightclub, a curious link up, man. You see me?
yeah,
Everybody
ladies
that
free
keep
before 10.
I don't know what a party. Anybody that keep a party that night, on better down, as a cartel say.
Oh, anyways, so we'll see you on Friday. Big up yourself and we'll talk soon, yeah?
So
That's easy.
what's before you go? What's the attraction? Cause you don't know.
Attraction is me.
You.
I am the
No
star.
thanks. No thank you.
No, I feel
Is that-
generous.
I'll pass.
I feel generous for them girls.
I will stay home.
I
Yeah,
said
go
that,
steal the
like-
man. You go thief a man spotlight? Where is that while
I
ago?
don't want the spotlight. I don't woman me I go look.
Okay, cool. That makes sense. Big up yourself. We'll see you on Friday, Breads.
All right.
No problem. Ladies and gentlemen, Breadback was with us via the talker
Zion
phone.
phone,
The
yeah.
Zion phone, right? It's 4 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. 4 minutes to the... No, it's 10:26 p.m. Can't read.
Don't start rub off by you know.
Don't necessarily rub off. But we just wanted to shout
Mighty.
out some black businesses that we want or fraternity or people to support. There are 3 we're going to talk about real quick. One is the Dutchie, which is an authentic Caribbean eatery and cocktail bar. I know Mega get why for that, but that is what is on the Instagram page.
Mixed drinks bar.
Mixed Drinks Bar, located in Croydon, Thornton Heath, and Camberwell. You can follow them on their Instagram page at The Dutchie, which is TheDutchie. It's a really good restaurant. They have good food, and the ambiance is really nice, and people them nice and beer things. So, you can forward over there if you want to take your girlfriend out. Valentine's Day is next week, Tuesday, for all the people who celebrate Valentine's. So you can go over and have a nice meal, have some drinks, and have fun. The second one we want to shout out is Kim Possible LED tables and 360 booth for all your LED tables, ice buckets, 360 booth, LED bar, and headphone. They have all of that available for you, so you can, get in touch with her and her team, and they will be able to, sort out the event and them decor. She has a decor aspect of it. It's really nice. If you've ever been to an event that she has hosted.
360 machine and all them things. So people, if you keep in an event, you can link up Kim Possible if you come decorate your party,
Yes.
It's a one-stop shop. Get your table and your thing and your
And everything in one.
Make your party look nice, because from what they were telling, so we tear that the old shabby background them.
Right.
Tear that guy party, and when the picture come out, look like a Tivoli me there.
Right, and you can
me there. I don't like it.
And you can follow her on Instagram at KimPossible1ST_LED tables _360. And the last business that we'll be shouting out this week is the Black Pound Day Shop. They recently opened a new branch in Westfield in Stratford City. This is, and everybody should know, probably you don't know, like Black Pound Day gives us as consumers the opportunity to spend with black businesses. So every first Saturday of the month, black businesses forward out together. I mean, we go over and we support. Their next Black Pound Day will be the 4th of March. So if you can forward out and support them, support black businesses, it would be a good thing. So go over to their Instagram page at BPD Official and support the movement. Yeah?